dude is always late. Come on in here.
Already.
Young buck, come on.
What up, baby?
How you been, man?
All is well,
I see you driving that nice Bentley W12 out
Yeah, that's
there.
my baby right there. I call her Candy.
Nice, man. Avondale's treating you right, huh?
Oh, man, I see how they train you.
They gave me the big boy car.
That's what you call it, the big boy?
Yeah, that's the big boy car.
That's love.
Demarcus and Demarcus, Avondale brought us together.
Shout out to Avondale,
man.
yes.
Yeah, man. It's
I
nice just being part of something like this.
All right.
And being able to shed some light, take the helmet off, and let people
yeah.
get to know us today. Dude, this is 4 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 48,000 square foot of open space for us today to have us a good time. And guess what? It's ours today.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Get up here and play some pool, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna kick your butt. Just let you know that. Get your mind right.
Let's see old school.
Just letting you know that I got a pool table at my house. Don't act up.
I'm still waiting on my pool table. Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, he been home practicing. He been home practicing.
So the question I got for you, right? Dude, what happened last season? I mean, a lot of people were saying that, oh, it was COVID.
Yeah.
And then they couldn't stop the run. Like, what actually happened, dude?
You my boy, so I'm gonna give you the real.
Yeah.
All right. Mentally and physically, not prepared. But we had no off season to learn, Mike McCarthy's formula.
Right.
So when we in there, we're learning on the fly. You know what I mean? So now mentally, we like, oh, we don't know anything. But physically, we ain't got time to prepare with each other. And that, I think, mainly the physical part was our downfall because, we lose one player, we lose Tyron, we lose Lyle, that's our 2 left tackles, our tackles, and then, we end up losing Dak. So being able to, have those physical, compliments to us, we didn't have.
Hey, cause you got that C on your chest.
Oh yeah.
A lot of people think that C is just okay. Well, that's the guy that the company guy.
Yeah.
The company guy the C is not for company guy. The C is for captain. Somebody that's leading the team, getting everything right.
Right.
And a person that everybody looks up to.
Absolutely.
You got that C on your chest.
Oh yeah.
I mean, what do you actually want to do this season to prove to the world after surgery, having a 19 sack season? The star's shining again, and Demarcus back.
I'm gonna beat you in pool first
today.
And then when the season starts, I'm gonna just have to beat your sack record.
I like it. I feel it too.
And take my team to a Super Bowl. Yes, sir. I'm telling you. The only option.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Dude, we are the ultimate competitors, and I sit right here, and through the grapevine, I know that you got some stuff going on. I mean, some stuff hot off the press. LAW.
Yeah.
Love and War.
What you know about it, man?
Dude, we know, I got chills right now just thinking about this thing, man.
Right.
Love and War. You're gonna have to talk to me about that.
Oh yeah, man.
Those words mean something when we on that football field like that.
Right, man. So having the name D-Law, you know what I mean? I actually sat down with my wife and we came up with the concept, Love and War. And she was like, man, I love you, but like, it's such a war, you know what I'm saying, being with you. But I was like, dang, that's my life. You know what I mean? Like, I'm in love with this game, but at the end of the day, it's still war. But you have to be able to embrace that war and still love it. That's that little thin line, between love that you're feeling right now. And it was actually good to have that feeling, you know what I mean? Because without it, you'll never be able to dive deeper into, the player that you want to become, so.
Hey, last shot, man.
You gonna scratch. I can see
it. You think so?
I can see it.
Ah!
Wow.
Good game, bro.
Go.
Nice.
So what you got going on off the field, man?
Man, since I retired, I went back to what I knew, and that's the cleanliness of the training room.
Right.
I think I had to change my marketing on what a gym actually was. Because usually when you walk into a gym, it smells like corn chips, and the first thing you see is equipment.
Yeah.
So I put retail right in the front. So when you first walk in, you don't see a gym.
Yeah.
You see all retail, nice clothing in there, and all the gym spaces are in the back.
So it's basically a luxury gym.
A luxury gym, and the cleanliness when you first walk in, I sold that.
Right.
It wasn't about, it's Demarcus Ware's gym.
Yeah.
It was, this is one of the cleanest gyms where I can get the ultimate workout and everybody can do it.
Answer this for me. With charity off the field, like, so how do you go out, like, and try to do your charitable outreach, you know?
Yeah, so with all my charitable things, it's not about making the money, it's about creating a huge impact.
Right.
And you do something that impacts, like let's say I'm doing something with a lot of kids,
Yeah.
Pass rush camp, some type of fitness camp, and you see these kids change and they come back to you at 16 years old,
Yeah.
and they have a fitness job or they're part of some type of business, you know you did well.
Right.
It's not about the tangible of getting that green money. It's about the intangible of creating something that's really, really big, that's everlasting. To that point, that's why I try to mesh with companies that have that same passion.
Right.
Like, you know, like Avondale. Like Avondale is helping me out with the Northwest ISD. We're delivering 1,500 pair of shoes
Oh, wow.
to some
That's
needy
dope.
kids.
That's dope.
And you know, they didn't ask for nothing.
Right.
They said, we want to be part of this because we know it's going to create some type of huge impact. I know they did the same thing for you.
Absolutely, yeah. They was able to help me out, you know, giving this little girl a laptop,
That's
desk,
cool, man.
all that, you know, and, you know, being able to let her family experience the Bentley, you know, experience.
Yeah. But see,
Yeah.
it's small. It's the small
Right.
things.
Yeah.
I mean, and you sit here and you ask, what do you invest in? Where do you put your passion in, or your
Right.
mentality, and where does those things go? No,
Right.
it's
Until
already
you put
there.
it into the youth, you know?
Right,
That's
right.
it. Oh, yeah.
We change the youth, we change the environment, we change the world with the platforms that we have.
Absolutely.
I mean, that's why we are here now in a 48,000 square foot home with a company that also create change in the community. Usually you look at a dealership and you're like, oh, that's a dealership.
It's a dealership.
But listen, they took our helmets off and now people get to actually see who we are, how we create change, how they create change.
And we get to spread the love in the community, which that's what they're all about too.
Right,
You know what I
right.
mean? And to be able to have somebody in the DFW area that supports you and is behind you 100%,
Right.
man, that's more than we can, you know, ever ask for.
Right, as
You know?
your mama say, you are who you hang around and who you associate yourself with.
Right.
And we're associating ourselves with the right people that are doing the right thing.
So I guess we Avondale, huh?
Hey, we Avondale. We
Avondale,
come on,
baby.
man.
Come on.
Boom.
You already
There we
know.
go.
Let me beat you in basketball right quick, man.
Basketball, you just lost in pool. What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
I'm about to redeem myself right here.
They used to call me MJ back in the day in high school.
About 30 years ago.
Oh, it's like that. Wow.